Hello everyone, welcome back to Lindsay's Builds. So we're on the final reveal of the Graf Zeplin. It's the DKN German Navy aircraft carrier Graf Zeppelin 1350 scale. So yes, what can I say about this kit? It's not an easy kit to put together. Especially when you're using aftermarket photo etch parts. Yes, very difficult, but we managed to get there in the end. I suppose about halfway you could see progress in it, and it's been a 3-year build, unfortunately. It's one of those ones that kept getting put back on the back burner, and yeah, so it's been 3 years on and off. Well, it's nearly 3 years, not quite 3 years. So we'll go down. I don't know how much you're going to see down cam. So I'll go down camera and let you take a look. Do what if we get the right camera? Okay, so you have to excuse the keyboard. So I can give you a top view. It's a little bit blurry, but I've got all the air wing done as well. So yeah. You will have to excuse the emblems on the ship. They are only there for historical purposes. This ship was never ever completed, so there's no correct kind of reference how this ship would have ended up. As far as I know, it was only half built. So, yeah, and it ended its life as target practice in the Baltic Sea by the Russians. So I'm going to bring it up to the screen so you can take a better look at it. So that's now complete. So, oops. So she was a very, very long, painstaking build. So just try to get it so you can kind of give it the gist. There's 4 different lots of planes on this build. So this one's took a nosedive. There we go. So I can't put this on a turntable because it is too big. So I'll try and turn it around for you without breaking anything or dropping anything, because I don't glue the air wing on for dusting purposes. I'll try and give it a little bit closer for you. But like I said, you'll have to excuse the emblems on the front and the back. They are only there for historical purposes. So it is a big boat to kind of like try and show. I have taken some photographs. They will be in with this video. So there we go. That is the final reveal of the 1/350 scale Graf Zeppelin. This is all done. The camo was quite a pleasure to do. I did enjoy doing the camo. There was more masking than actual spraying. I think one side took me 6 hours, the other side took me 8 hours to mask. So it was a lot of work. But yeah, so there she is, guys, done. I've got quite a lot mixed feelings about the kit, if you know what I mean. Itself, I think it's because it was a very troublesome kit, you know. Some things didn't fit properly and things like that. But yeah, it's like I said, we managed to get it together in the end. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. There will be some photographs. It's like I said, I can't put it on a turntable because it is too big to get on my bench with a turntable. So yeah, but other than that, yeah, it was a very painstaking build, but we got there in the end. So if you like the video, put your thumbs up, guys. Be much appreciated. And yeah, look forward to the next build. So we'll say goodbye for now, and see you all soon. Bye bye for now.